Toyota GAZOO Racing gave the new GR86 its world debut in an online event held together with Subaru Corporation. Following the GR Supra and GR Yaris, the new GR86 is the third global model in TGR's GR series of sports cars. The new GR86 is scheduled to launch in Japan in autumn 2021. Toyota developed the original 86 with the goal of delivering the dreams and the joy of driving inherent in sports cars to its customers. Conceived as a front-engine, rear-wheel drive vehicle with intuitive handling and instinctive responsiveness, the 86 launched in 2012. Since then, the vehicles have been utilized as base models for a variety of participatory motorsports, including rallies, one-make races, gymkhana, and dirt trials, while others have been uniquely customized. TGR's new GR86 and Subaru's new BRZ were jointly developed. Yet, although the two vehicles share the same vehicle base, the two companies focused on imbuing their respective models with a distinct driving feel. While engaging in friendly rivalry with the BRZ development team, TGR sought to develop a vehicle that would provide happiness to 86 fans, and realize an evolution of the 86's unique driving sensations. As a result, the new GR86 is specially designed for sports performance, and provides direct and satisfying driving performance of the highest order. In September 2019, Toyota and Subaru entered into a new business and capital alliance, as part of which the two companies committed to jointly engage in making ever better cars. The new GR86/BRZ is not only a concrete example of this commitment, but also represents a new challenge for both companies, as they seek to subvert conventional ideas of cooperation in the automotive industry. Going forward, Toyota and Subaru intend to further ally their respective strengths, deepen their relationship, and so pursue the possibilities of making ever better cars.